HTML forms. So in this section I'm going to teach you how to add password section and checkbox in an HTML page. So first I need to type input then type equal to, so we are going to create a password field. So input type is equal to password. Then we need to create an ID for identifying this password section. Here this ID name is, this field ID is pass. I just set it. Now it's closed. Then also I need to create a, then I'm just saving this. Then I'm going to run this program. Then you can see that one password field is here. If I anything type here, it is displaying as a star symbol or dot symbol. Okay, original data is hidden. Then next I need to create a label for this password field. You already know that how to create a label field using label tag label 4. What is the value of 4? 4 is 4 value equal to the same ID value of the password. So that is pass. Then I'm going to create the label. Label means password. Password. Then label close. Then save this program. I'm going to run this program. Running. Then label is coming here. If you click on label, suddenly it will, this field will activated, right? If you click here, it will activated. So password field, then I can type any letter here, it will display as a star or dot. Then this is the way to create a password field in HTML page. Then I'm going to create another field. It is called checkbox. For creating checkbox, same tag input, then type is equal to checkbox. Then I'm also creating one ID for this checkbox for identifying this particular checkbox. So ID, this my ID name is cricket. No, I just writing. Oh, sorry. This checkbox. Then ID is equal to cricket. Then ID is set. Then I just save this. Saving this file. Then I'm going to run this file. Then you can see that one checkbox is coming. Did you see that one checkbox is coming here? This is a checkbox. It is coming here. Then but the two password field and checkbox are coming in one line. Then I need to change it. I need to display the checkbox in another line, so I can use PR here. Then also I'm going to create a label for this checkbox. Label for cricket. Then label also CRICKET, cricket. Then also label close. Then I'm going to run this program. Then did you see that cricket? If you like cricket, then you can check, otherwise you can leave this. Okay, then I'm going to create a 2 or more checkbox. Okay, I'm just copying this. Another checkbox I'm going to create it for football. Control V, I just paste in here. Then input type is checkbox. No problem here. then label for cricket, so input type is checkbox here. Then instead of this id I'm going to write football. Then what is the label for this checkbox? It is football. Then a label for that particular checkbox is changed it to football. Then I'm going to save this program. Then I'm going to run this program. Here this checkbox is for football. Then did you see that at a time you can select any number of checkbox? It is possible. If someone like cricket, they can click here. If someone don't like cricket, they can leave this. Then if someone like cricket, they can football, they can click here. Okay, then we need to create an additional label for these two checkbox for identifying what is the use of this checkbox. A label, there is no need for 4. Okay, then hobbies. Label close, Control S. Then also I'm going to create a br tag here. Then save. Here also I need one br tag. Here. Then you will get a clear output. Did you see that? Then cricket, hobbies come here. It is wrong. It will be go upside. Okay, this should be go here. So this label is actually for this full checkbox. What is the use of this checkbox? When I run this program, you will understand the concept. Then ask it to user, type the password. Then ask it to user, what is your hobby? If you like football, cricket, then click. If you like football also. If you don't like cricket, no need to check. So this is the way you can add a checkbox in your HTML page. So here I'm going to then I'm going to create another textbox field here. Copy. Then Control V. Label for, I need to create one textbox here. Textbox for typing username. Textbox. Then ID is my username. That is user. Let us say ID. Then here it should be equal to this one. This ID name, user. Then here, what is the label for this textbox? Okay, I need like to create user name. Okay, username. This is a username. This is a password name. Then I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I'm going to delete these things. Again, a label for here. I'm just asking stay logged in. So here I just type OK. Then it should be right here also. ID you can type anything. Okay, ID no problem. That is user defined variable. You can type anything here. Then it should be close to here. Then checkbox. Okay, save. Then I'm going to run this program. Then you will get a username field, password field. Oh, I'm forgot to create a submit button. Okay, I'm also creating for submit button here. Last, how to create submit button? Input type equal to submit. Then what's the value? Value should be submit. Value is equal to submit. Then it should be close. Then save. Then I'm going to run this program. You can see that username and type username, then password. If you want to stay logged in, once you logged in, always you can stay logged in or not. Okay, this will ask while you log in a if you have I think everyone have Facebook account, you just try to log in with your any web browser in FB, then suddenly it will ask this kind of checkbox, do you want to stay logged in or not. If I need means if I reopen this website again after few days, then it should be directly go to your profile section. Otherwise you must write your user ID and password. Okay, then submit button. I think you understand. This is a checkbox, button, password field, then username field. Then try it in your computer. Then if you have a doubt, ask me.